Now, the PNGRB has notified the new criteria for the CGD round of bidding. How beneficial do you think that would be for the sector?
Good morning. This is going to be very good news for the entire city gas distribution industry. For as you rightly said, PNGRB has announced 86 GAs which has been put up for the bidding. Hence, I think each and every player in the city gas space will be getting a chance, and that's a good news for Mahanagar gas as well. We will also be looking on pan-India basis. The only thing will be we will be very selective based on certain internal financial and non-financial factors.
Analysts, they see a material rise in domestic and LNG supply over next 3 to 4 years. How will this change life for you?
The domestic supply is going to be a little higher. In fact, in the next 2 to 3 years horizon, this is definitely going to be a good news for the company, because as you know, this CNG, which is compressed natural gas, as well as for household categories, the sales volume for the company is nearly 86%. Hence, it's going to be definitely good news if the supply increases on domestic front. And so is the case on LNG front, because we need for additional industrial and customer categories, whatever additions will be done, we will be feeding through LNG.
Which new cities are you eyeing, and are you confident of winning in the new round of bidding?
The shortlisting process is still on, because if you are aware, I think it has been very recently announced by the PNGRB. So we are still studying the various 86 GS, and the number is pretty high, so it will take little amount of time to study the thing. But maybe to begin with, we may shortlist 20 odd, and thereafter further we'll be finalizing on the choice. It will be a bit premature right now to say which exactly areas we'll be bidding for.
You have a much superior margin profile versus others in the space. Where do you see margins sustaining over the next 1 or 2 years?
Apart from industry level margins, I think what is important is one has to see company specific angles also, because at times there will be differences in the businesses. Rather than speaking for others, probably we can talk about Mahanagar gas itself. This year, financial year 17-18, particularly 9 months period, was excellent for the company. Almost all the factors, whatever are important from margin perspective, has been very good to the company. Going forward also, since the oil price levels are going up, the prices of probably fuels like LSHS or fuel oil will go up, which are the alternate competing fuels for us in industrial and commercial segment. As a result, maybe we will expect better price realization in industrial and commercial. Whereas similar is the case in case of CNG, which is our nearly 74% of volume. Since the prices of petrol and diesel are going up, the value proposition for our customers in CNG, because of the discount which we'll be offering through our product, will be substantial. And we see, I think, more and more conversions coming, and so maybe the case good for the margin. And even if we assume, let us say, the price of domestically produced gas can go up a bit in the coming quarters, I think we have enough headroom available to increase the prices if the need so arises. So these are some positive factors on margin front, at least for us. Whereas what could be a bit dampener which we need to observe about is the rupee dollar exchange rate, because we buy in dollar denominated terms, whereas sell in rupee terms. Hence, we need to be little cautious on the exchange front.
Okay.